So you've recently downloaded Tableau. Let's give a brief tour of its workspace and the functions of each component. First, we have Workbook Name. Workbook Name is displayed at the top of the workspace and contains sheets. A sheet can be a worksheet, a dashboard, or a story. For example, with the data that we have, you could create a workbook name entitled Spring Q12 Data and create multiple sheets to analyze different aspects of this data. Next, we have cards and shelves. The cards and shelves are where you drag fields to add to your data view. The shelves are located from left to right, while the cards are located more top to bottom. For example, with this data, we could drag position to the columns row and employee satisfaction to the row and create a bar chart based on this data. Next, we have the toolbar. The toolbar contains commands and analysis tools that you can use to customize your view. For example, say we didn't want to see this chart anymore. We could click Clear Sheet to get rid of it. Or if we didn't want to make that mistake, we could click the back button to bring it back. Next, we have the view. The view is the canvas in the workspace where you can create visualization, also known as the viz. You can drag fields to the view to create charts, graphs, and other visualization tools. The start page. Clicking this icon on the top left will take you to the start page where you can connect to the data. From there, you can access data sources, other recent workbooks, and other resources. The sidebar. The sidebar in the worksheet contains the data plane and the analytics plane. The data plane allows you to manage and explore your data, while the analytics plane provides access to statistical calculations and other analytics tools. The data source page. Clicking this tab takes you to the data source page where you can view your data and manage the connections between your data sources. The status bar. The status bar displays information about current view, such as number of records in the view and total time taken to render. And finally, we have the Sheets tab. The Sheets tab represents each sheet in your workbook. This can include worksheets, dashboards, and stories. You can click on tabs to change in between workbooks, or you can click on the individual sheet and make it more unique.